How to connect your Sharp Aquos remote to your TV.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to learn about connecting your Sharp Aquos remote to your TV. It's a simple process that can significantly enhance your viewing experience. Don't worry if you're not tech savvy. We will guide you through this process step by step.
Find your TV's code.
Before we start, you'll need the unique code for your specific Sharp Aquos TV model. This is usually found in the TV's manual, or you can search for it online. Make sure to write it down as we will need it in the later steps.
Power on your TV.
To start with, make sure your TV is powered on. This is an essential step because the TV needs to be on to accept the remote control pairing.
Prepare your remote.
Next, take your Sharp Aquos remote and make sure it has fresh batteries. This is to ensure that the remote has enough power to communicate with the TV.
Enter the pairing mode.
Now, let's put your remote into pairing mode. To do this, press and hold the Setup button on your remote until the LED indicator light turns on.
Input the code.
After the LED light turns on, input the code you found earlier using the number buttons on the remote. Once you enter the code, the LED light should flash twice, indicating that the remote is ready to be paired with the TV.
Test the remote.
The final step is to test your remote. Try pressing different buttons, such as the volume or channel buttons, to ensure that it's properly paired with your TV. If the remote doesn't work as expected, you may need to repeat the process with a different code. That's it. You've successfully connected your Sharp Aquos remote to your TV. Now, you can sit back, relax, and enjoy your favorite shows without any hassles. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech guides. Happy viewing!